Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 closing problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Now check for updates, and after that make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then go back and go to background apps. Turn off all those background applications to free up your memory. And now go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates and install the latest update of your graphics card, and then go to settings, scroll down, make sure to enable image scaling, enable it. After that restart your PC, and after starting your PC open task manager, and then close all the applications that you know what they do to free up your memory. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.